All right, let's get practicing in QuickBooks Online. Grab the link below in the description so that you can follow along. All right, here we are in the QBO gym, and the QBO gym is really just a set of numerous exercises that help simulate real-life scenarios, situations that you may encounter as a bookkeeper. Every single month, we come out with a new set of exercises for you to practice your skills and complete, and we break it down into 4 different sections for you. So today we are going to be working in the August strength training section where we focus on tags. Here is a little video at the top that talks about what's going on in Craig's world this month. He is our fictitious business owner. Further down, we have an interactive quiz that relates to the video that you just watched. And then further down are all of the exercises within this section. So today we are going to be focusing on our last exercise in the strength training section, which is all about reporting using tags. Now you will need to be in the same session of the sample company that you used for the previous exercises. If you have not completed those yet, go ahead and click on the link on the top right of your screen that will take you to it. You need to do those exercises first as they build on each other and then come back to this one. So our scenario today is that Craig is curious how he did last month in terms of profit and loss on design build services versus his landscaping maintenance services. He has not done anything for snow removal, so that is not on the report, but let's run some reports so that he can see how he did. He previously said that he didn't want his regular profit and loss report affected, but by using tags, it hasn't been. You can generate a special profit and loss report that is grouped by tags. So let's see how to do this. This report is available in the reporting center, but we can also run it from the tag center. So that's how we're going to do it now. So we're going to click on the gear icon and then select tags. However, you may already still be on the tag screen like I am. This is from the previous exercise. That's why it was the last page that I left off of, which is why this is showing. But if you are not on this page, you can always go to the gear icon and then under lists, select tags, which is going to take you directly to this page. So to run the report under the tag and tag groups on the services line, we're going to click on Run Report. So down here is that services line. You're going to go ahead and click on the blue link for Run Report. And this is the report that will show. But he would like to see last month's numbers, so we need to change the reporting period. To do this, under the report period, you would click on the down arrow to select last month and then rerun the report. So if I scroll up here to the top, here is that reporting period. It's showing year to date. Click on this and then find last month. Scroll down a little bit. There it is. Click on it and then go ahead and click on the white run report. And now it has changed for just last month. You will see here that the net income for each tag is showing on this report and it's broken down. So here it is for the design and build, and here it is for the landscape maintenance. At this point, you could go ahead and export it. You would click on this little arrow here. You could accept or export it into Excel or PDF, whatever his preference is. Maybe he wants both, or maybe he wants one or the other. It's always really good to check and see how he would like to see the report. So in the future, you may want to view which transactions have been tagged. So QBO actually provides this list for you as well, which is really great. So to get this report, you want to go to the left nav bar and then click on Reports. So over here on the left nav bar, you can click on Reports. You can also use this back button. It sometimes says all reports, so you can go ahead and click on that as well. But let's do it the way the exercise says. Click on Reports, and you will see all of the reports that you can, the standard ones that are showing up here. We are going to scroll down to the Sales and Customer section and select the one that says Transaction List by Tag Group. So scroll down, and then you see the Sales and Customers section. Go ahead and click on the one that says Transaction List by Tag Group. And you'll see that no data is showing at this time, and that's because the time period says that it's this month to date. But since we have no transactions tagged for the current month, we need to change the time, the report period. So again, we're going to go to the same place. On the down arrow, we're going to select last month. So here is that report period. Click on the arrow here and scroll down a little bit until you find last month. Click on that. And then you are going to, I think you need to change. Yes, you need to change. I was just about to select run report, but we actually need to change what we wanted to see it grouped by, which is the services, that the tag group that we had selected. So in this group by, you're going to click on the arrow and change it to services. And now you can click on the white run report. And there you can see all of the transactions that we had tagged for each one. This is the design and build, the landscape maintenance. If you have tons and tons of transactions and you want to look a little more closely without scrolling, you can always collapse these sections and open them back up depending on what you are looking for. And then just another quick note here, you will notice that it shows all of the transactions. So all of the ones that we had, all of the money in, like the invoices and sales receipt, and then the money out, the purchase order and check. And so just know that this will show all of the tags, not specifically for money in or money out transactions. It shows everything that we have tagged. And that is how you would run reports using tags. And if you have any questions or want to know more about the QBO Gym, just go ahead and click on the link below in the description. We have finished the strength training section and we move on to the cool down section where we focus on reconciling the checking and savings accounts and running reports. And I will see you in that next video.